and thank you for joining us for Friday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold prices pared losses, holding at near record highs as soft US jobs data outweighed concerns from firmer inflation data. With investors still betting on the Federal Reserve easing interest rates next week, Wall Street's main indexes rose, hitting record highs, lifted by gains in Tesla and Micron technology, after US inflation and jobless data fed market expectations that the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates this month. Figure Technology was valued at $7.62 billion after its shares jumped 44% in their Nasdaq debut on Thursday, adding to a run of strong first-day performances by crypto-linked firms as the digital assets industry edges closer to the mainstream.
The euro-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.